Hello and welcome. In today's video, an update about Acala, token transfers and ACA trading, fintech integrations, liquidity pools, liquid dot staking, and also ACA staking through community project AquaDAO. ACA token transfers were enabled yesterday, so ACA is trading on Binance, Kucoin, Okex, MEXC, and Gate. Yesterday, when trading began, there was no initial pump. The price on Kucoin hit only $4.5 in the first few seconds, then the price quickly dropped to $2 and has been trading around $2 since then. Given the current market conditions, it is not so bad. I think in a normal situation, ACA would be now trading between $4 to $5. With the current price of $2 per ACA and circulating supply around 70 million tokens, Acala's current market cap is around 140 million, and thus Acala's market cap is around 23% of current Moonbeam's market cap. Another hot news is that Acala app is live for now with a limited functionality. Go to apps.acala.network and here at the top right corner connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, you will see your ACA tokens as well as your balance of derivative LC DOT tokens that you received for DOT contributed through Acala Liquid Vault. There are tabs for minting Acala dollar stablecoin, swapping, liquid dot staking, and naturally also several liquidity pools will be enabled soon. But for now, none of those primitive protocols has been launched yet. And now few more latest news about Acala launch and about the vision of Acala team. Acala is the first layer 1 blockchain which is fully customized for DeFi and Hi-Fi. Hi-Fi is a new term lately commonly used by Acala co-founders. It stands for hybrid finance. Thus, Hi-Fi combines traditional financial services with cryptocurrencies and DeFi. One of the first Acala's collaborations with the traditional financial providers is the collaboration with Current.com. Current is a fintech company which offers savings accounts to more than 3 million people in the US. So Acala and Current team up, and what Acala will do is to provide the yield which people who are in crypto space are already enjoying also to people who use Current.com and who have no experience with cryptocurrencies and with crypto wallets. This integration with Current.com is the first example of hybrid finance where Acala aims to combine the fintech world and traditional banks with Web 3.0 and crypto space. Now, unlike Moonbeam or Astar Network, which are networks with inflationary token supply, Acala has a fixed total supply, 1 billion ACA tokens. That means by holding your ACA, you have secured your percentage and share from the whole Acala network. Thus, your share from Acala is non-dilutive and will still remain the same. Now, short-term launch plan of Acala. In total, over 24 million LC DOT has been distributed to all contributors who contributed through a liquid staking solution on Acala page. As I have showed, everyone should have received LC DOT in the wallet. No claiming is required. Another important news is that the bridge between Polkadot and Acala network should be open very soon, within a few weeks max. Once the bridge is up and running, users will be able to bring their DOT to Acala network and start with trading and borrowing. The next important step for Acala will be opening several liquidity pools. Acala first plans to launch the pool with LC DOT and DOT. This pool will enable people to trade LC DOT for DOT and that way to get the liquidity back from their contributed DOT. Other people, me included, will look to trade DOT for LC DOT and basically to accumulate LC DOT tokens, using which they will be able to redeem underlying original DOT back in 2 years. The trading dynamic in this LC DOT pool will be surely very interesting, now with all the fear and panic on the market even more. Apart from trading LC DOT for DOT, another option how to utilize LC DOT will be to provide a liquidity in the liquidity pool and earn ACA yield and also a portion from trading fees in ACA. If I'm not mistaken, there will be no impermanent loss in this pool, as both assets, LC DOT as well as DOT, are still one DOT at the end of the day, even though LC DOT will be redeemable for original DOT in 2 years. Another extremely important primitive protocol will be aUSD stablecoin. We already know Karura dollar from Acala app, where for minting Karura dollar, collaterals in KSM had to be deposited. Acala dollar should serve as a stablecoin for all parachains deployed on Polkadot, and later on aUSD stablecoin will be also bridged to Ethereum and other ecosystems. Another highly important protocol will be Liquid.staking and L.tokens. It goes without saying that Liquid.staking on Acala will be non-custodial, trustless, and providing at least the same or even better returns than traditional on-chain staking on Polkadot Relay chain. So by staking DOT on Acala, users will mint L.tokens, which can be then reused in DeFi products, and that way those L. will circulate in the market and bootstrap the economy on the Acala network. Acala also plans to launch a multi-chain bridge. They have not yet disclosed to which ecosystems specifically this bridge will be to, but the bridge will connect Acala into multiple different ecosystems, naturally including Ethereum. Once the bridge to other ecosystems is in place, it will open Acala from a local economy to global economy, where crypto assets from other ecosystems will come to Acala network for trading, borrowing, and lending. And also the opposite way, meaning that Acala dollar will be transferable to other chains. So there will be multiple native assets tradable on Acala network, such as Acala dollar, Liquid L. ACA, DOT, and derivative LC DOT. All of these assets will be first listed on native Acala DEX, then also on other DEXs built on Acala network, and in a later phase, these assets will be also bridgeable to other DEXs built in other ecosystems. And lastly, Acala staking through AquaDAO. The holders of ACA tokens will be able to stake their ACA to generate staking yield. Staking will be possible without actually increasing the maximum supply of ACA tokens, meaning Acala will not generate any new tokens to reward the stakers. So staking through this community AquaDAO will enable all ACA holders to earn a passive income. ACA staking will be also very important for the price action of ACA token, as staking will give yet another strong utility to ACA. Many token holders simply expect that they will be able to stake their tokens, and naturally, the more staked tokens, the lower liquid supply on exchanges, plus potentially also a higher demand for ACA token, since staking is for many people the most important utility of the token they hold. The basic idea of ACA staking is that ACA holders will get a share from the yield generated by Acala treasury based on the amount of staked ACA. I think the idea of staking the native tokens of non-inflationary network to generate staking yield is pretty cool. If you also hold a larger amount of Glimmer and ASTR tokens, by staking these native tokens of the top 3 Polkadot parachains, you can have a very nice passive income without constantly worrying about the price. You can find more about ACA staking either on AquaDAO app or in this forum post. I will leave the link in the description. So as you can see, there are many exciting things coming from Acala network. Collaboration with Current.com and other fintech integrations, a bridge to Ethereum and to other ecosystems, Acala DEX, aUSD stablecoin, and Liquid.staking. Then also liquidity pools with LC DOT and DOT, and with DOT and aUSD will be open, and in the future also ACA staking for all ACA holders. So there is quite a lot to be excited about Acala, but only the future will tell whether Acala team really delivers all they have promised. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye.